Good morning. Anmol Classes welcomes you. In the previous video, we have seen the first experiment of a Python programming lab, that is for your B.Tech second year first semester. So today we will be seeing the second experiment. It is write a program to perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. So we should know that what are the different arithmetic operations on numbers are. So if we are going for seeing the different arithmetic operations, the first operation is addition, that is addition of two operands. So addition, its syntax is x plus y. Second operation is subtraction, subtracts two operands. So syntax is x minus y. Third one is multiplication, multiplies two operands. So x, this is the multiplication symbol, and then y. Division, division, it divides the first operand by the second. So division, it is also called float type. So float type means x by y. This is the syntax of the division float type. Float type means when we are using the division, we will be having the whole number part and we will be having the fractional part also. Next one is division. This is your floor division. Floor division means it divides the first operand by the second. So in floor division, we will be having say this is the syntax for your floor division. So in floor division, we will be having only the whole number part. The fractional part will not be there. Next, we can go for this power or exponent. So it returns the first raised to power second. So s, and you are seeing 2 hashtag will be there and then y will be there. So this is the syntax for your power. So after knowing these different arithmetic operations on numbers, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and power, or it is also called exponent, will be going for writing the Python programming program for this one. So this is your Python program. This is experiment 2, program to perform different arithmetic operations on numbers in Python. So here let us assume that x is equal to 15 and y is equal to 4. Means we are assigning 15 to variable x and we are assigning 4 to variable y. So when we are going for your first arithmetic operation, that is your addition operation, we will be writing it as print x plus y is equal to comma x plus y. So this x plus y is equal to whatever we have written this will be coming in the output as it is, and this arithmetic operation, this is addition operation, will be taking place. Okay, so what we are having x is equal to 15, y is equal to 4. So what will be getting at the output? Will be getting x plus y is equal to, direct here will be getting the 19. Then say suppose next is the subtraction operation. So we'll be writing print x minus y is equal to comma x minus y. So here this is the subtraction operation. So x minus y is equal to, this will be coming in the output as it is, and this subtraction operation will be taking place and we'll be getting it as 11. So we'll be getting it as x minus y is equal to 11. So this is your second arithmetic operation. Third one is your multiplication, print x hashtag y is equal to comma x hashtag y. So this is the multiplication operation. So here we'll be getting the multiplied output. So x multiplied y is equal to, it will be coming as it is, and at the output we'll be getting it as 60. Okay, then print x by y is equal to, so this is your division operation. So x by y is equal to, this will be coming as it is, comma x by y is written, so directly we'll be getting this 3.75 in this program. So that is your division operation. Next one is your floor division. So when we are going for floor division, we'll be writing is print comma x double slash will be there, y is equal to, then comma, so x double slash y is equal to, it will be coming in the output as it is, and then we'll be writing this operation. This is your floor division. So in floor division, what will be happening? As we are knowing that in decimal we'll be having whole number part and the fractional part. So in floor division, only whole number part will be appearing. That is, we'll be getting only 3. And finally, we will be having the power operation, power or exponent. So print x 2 times asterisk will be there, then y is equal to, here comma, x 2 times asterisk y. So x 2 times asterisk y is equal to, it will be appearing in the output as it is, and we'll be getting it in this program. We'll be getting power means 50625. Now let us run this program and see that whether we are getting the same output or not. So when we are running, you see x plus y is equal to 19, x minus y we are getting it as 11, x multiplied by y we are getting 60, and x by y we are getting a 3.75. This is your normal division, and x double by y is equal to 3. This is your floor division. In floor division, only whole number part will be appearing. So whole number part, this 3 will be appearing, and this fractional part will not be there. And x to the power y, if you are going for x to the power y, we are getting it as 50625. So as we have considered x as 15, y as 5, we have run this program. By changing the value of x and y, we can get other values. So the summary of this program is the different arithmetic operations that we have seen here. We have seen the addition, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, and power or exponent also we can say. In the next video, we'll be seeing your third experiment. Thank you.